What is up again for part 2 in our slime video for Nutella? I gotta make myself a funnel because I forgot that I still have to do this glue. See, it's glue. So hold on just for 1 second. Shine like a titanium diamond. Every night I got my way up in the flower. Every night I got my way up in the floor. Nah, baby, I'm gonna bring you. Homemade funnel. Get a water bottle, squish it, cut it right here. Like this. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, shoot. Water just fell on the floor. Oh, well. See, you have your homemade funnel. So you put the funnel right here now. Make sure it fits. Like this. And then just dump all your glue in here, whatever you gotta dump. And the glue is really easy to make. All you need is 2 tablespoons of flour. Well, it really matters on how much glue you want. Add a little bit of water at a time. Put a pinch of salt in. Freeze it. Put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Take it out and you got glue. As long as you have water, flour, and a little bit of salt, you're good. That's all it needs to be. Okay, now actually back to our slime video. We made Nutella slime halfway, but we gotta add more glue because we added too much detergent. If you add too much detergent, just add more glue. It's not working. Why aren't you working, you son of a booty nut? Gosh. Just keep adding glue until you think it's gonna work finally. This is not working, so I'm gonna redo it. And if you're just now watching this video, this is not Nutella. Well, it is, but it's not Nutella. It's glue, laundry detergent, and a milk. So just hold on. Okay, I cleaned it out the best I could. Now, you're gonna restart this. You're gonna add glue. You gotta make more glue again. God freaking God. If you hear Christmas music in the background, I'm listening to Christmas music. Add Nutella. I'm going to have to add some of that off. Never mind. Add a little bit of this. A little bit. A little bit if you don't pronounce in my language. Hola, buenos noches. This does smell so good. When I wash my laundry like this, it's like the best in the world. Want to keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. It's still not working! What the heck? If you want to see a good video where slime actually works, where you can go make it, go to guava juice. That's where I got this recipe from. And he's like so funny. So yeah. Also, if you guys are down, this for the subscribers that subscribe and comment, I changed my name to bake_4_besties. I changed my name and my picture, but it's the same picture, it's just a Snapchat picture. And if you join, you can be my bestie. So if you're a subscriber, join the bestie club. I already got 3 besties over here, plus me, so basically 4. If you want to join any more, subscribe and comment. So yeah, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas if I don't hear from any of you in the comments. Have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and a good first day back to school. Bye, everybody.